It's time to set out. Duoli trumpets the order, summoning the whole extended family to follow her deep into the rainforest. As the leader of the herd, she's expected to know the rainforest intimately. For centuries, mothers have passed this lore to their daughters, from one generation to the next. Duoli is leading the herd towards a temporary refuge beside the Sancha River. Despite her youth, Duoli has etched on her mind the paths taught her by her mother. Now, her only worry is whether her baby girl, Daime, can manage the arduous trek to come. But for the little one on her first journey, everything she sees is fresh and fascinating.